Hi friends, this is M.K. Sangasam from Tirupur, right now in Kanpur. This is Handaka station, the Kanpur Central, but local people is telling the Handaka station. You don't go by some other area by electric rickshaw like that, then some other ways. Electric rickshaw also okay, sir. It's a sharing method. You have to pay the 10 rupees for 6 to 7 kilometers. Here nobody cheat you this area, so this is a Kanpur Central. You know that more electric share auto rickshaws is going on. Otherwise, some other cycle also there. 3-wheel cycles. It's a thank you, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.